Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Telegram and signing in with your number. This grants access to contacts and settings. Once in, tap the menu and choose New Group, then select at least one contact to create the group because Telegram requires an initial member. Next, give the group a clear, descriptive name and add a profile photo to help recognition. This helps members find and trust the group. Make sure to pick an appropriate privacy level when prompted so the group functions as you intend. Once done creating the group, go to Group Info to configure type and permissions. If you expect many members, convert to a supergroup to enable better moderation and public features. This matters because supergroups handle large communities and have more tools. Assign admins and tailor permissions, who can post, edit messages, or add users to prevent chaos. Finally, add members directly from your contacts or generate an invite link to share. Invite links let you control access and revoke entry if necessary. To finish, set a pinned message for rules or important info and adjust notification and chat folder settings so members don't miss updates. Once everything looks good, monitor activity for the first few days and refine permissions or add moderators to keep discussions on track. If members can't join, check the invite link's expiry or group type, revoke and recreate links when compromised. And if spam appears, use admin tools to remove offenders and report malicious accounts to stop repeat problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.